Good morning, Wabbits, and welcome to another vlog. Today, my niece is surprising me with a wonderful breakfast. She's just 10 years, so let's see what she can do in the kitchen.
Don't come in here. I am putting the
See who is supposed to surprise me with a breakfast?
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
She is,
I'm waiting for the bread.
She is sitting down. No, stop. She's here playing her iPad.
No, I'm just telling you this just to the game.
Say hi to my mom. Mamushka.
Doing my breakfast.
She's doing her breakfast.
And move. Go. You can't look. It's a surprise.
I'm not looking.
No!
I'm not looking. Say hello to Queen B. Queen B, morning face. Hi. What are you doing? Just playing game. Let's just wait and see what she's doing, and if it's good or bad, don't worry. I'll tell you guys. So let's see. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so let's get talking. It's 2020, man. 2020. What are your plans? What are your dreams? What have you planned for your life? Like, where are you heading to in 2020, guys? So guys, you gotta think what like this. Just drop your comments in the comment box below. What are your plans for 2020?
What do you want me to put on your coffee? I mean your tea.
What?
What do you want me to put on your tea?
My tea, milk.
Milk, okay.
Soya milk, yeah.
Okay.
Just that. And a bit of sugar, not too much.
Okay.
Like a spoon.
Okay.
No, put it in the kitchen. Put it in the kitchen. This is 2020, so guys, let me know what your plans are. This is your boy Wabbit, and I know my sound isn't that good yet, but I'm trying to get a mic later. 2020, I have to upgrade my gear, hopefully, on this month. See you guys. Take it to the next level. Oh, someone says she's done, and she's. That is a good English breakfast, girl.
Yeah.
You're doing great.
With black pepper.
Black pepper. Yeah, so this is the latest chef in town. We're gonna open our breakfast restaurant. So if you need a 10-year chef, you know who to holler at.
Okay, so I made 3 eggs and mixed it together, added black pepper and cooked it. Or is it fried? I fried it. And then I took 2 bread, toasted it, and put peanut butter inside, and then smashed it together. Then the coffee I made with red rose. And they're still enjoying their food. And I put some sugar and some soy milk to make it tasty. And that's how I made my breakfast. Here is Queen Bee enjoying her cereal, which she's almost done. I'm already done my cereal. And yes, she cries a lot, but that's okay. She's still my sister. I am a 10-year-old chef. I know how to make egg and bread. You know how? Because I am good at making bread. Here comes my daddy. Yeah, I speak French too. And never mind, I don't think my dad is here yet. I speak French too. Bonjour, je m'appelle Terry. Terry, à peu près, my dear. Terry, my dear, à peu près. Je vais à l'école française appelée Sainte Jeanne d'Arc. Sainte Jeanne d'Arc. Et voici ma grand-mère, mon oncle et ma sœur. Ma mère est en train de dormir maintenant. Je crois qu'elle est malade parce que elle est comme très fatiguée, donc je vais juste la laisser tranquille pour aujourd'hui. Bree, do the orange justice. Do the orange justice. Do the floss. Do the floss. Ah, Bree, you wrote on the wall. What kind of masterpiece is this?
Hey, yo. Where are you going?
To the mall.
Hey guys, we're going to the mall. I don't think this will be clear because it's windy and it's raining. It's just drizzling a little bit too. So yeah, that's my. Yeah, let's go.
I made this scarf for myself.
She made her own scarf. This girl's multi-talented. She cooks, she makes her own scarf. What else can you do? She can draw. Why we pass it? Probably gonna get messy. We have to cross that way. Cool. But today's weather is good, it's not cold. Because it's raining or something. Because when it stops raining, the sun comes out and it gets really cold.
Oh, I still have this in my pocket.
Boom, guys. So as we were talking, what's your plans for 2020? Or this is my first vlog 2020. So what's your plans? Yeah. Drop your comments in the comment below, the comment box below, and tell me your plans for 2020. What's your plans for 2020, young girl?
I wanna get up to $100.
You wanna get to $100?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to do last year, but I wasn't able to.
Because you kept spending your money.
Yeah. Now I have I have $24.00. Vincent is gonna give me $24 if I give him my $24.00.
Let's go. That's us the way to the mall, yeah. And camera is getting wet, so I have to like go off now. And I'll see you guys when we get into the mall. See ya. Bye. Brought me to Justice just to look at these toy things in the bag, and I'm not getting that for you, so.
Well, it's not even because I don't normally use the big bag.
Exactly.
What is this?
Oh, nice. So then you come back here and
We
get
are
a
here
job
at
with
the
IBM.
store.
Or Apple.
My
Oh,
uncle is
Microsoft.
talking with a man,
Yeah.
and we are buying
73.46.
$40
Can you pick that?
for clothings that my uncle
So
has
then
been waiting
when
for.
you going back?
Next month.
Next month. Oh, you're on break.
And yes, my uncle made us walk around the whole mall twice just to find this one store. And yes, I am very tired now.
You're too young to be tired.
Hear that? You're just lazy.
And you didn't eat your vegetable today. That's why you're tired.
I didn't eat all I had was breakfast. I didn't eat anything else before. Just breakfast. Cereal.
So you didn't have some oatmeal. That's why.
No, I didn't want oatmeal.
That's you can't eat oatmeal.
Yeah, well, I saw in a video that oatmeals aren't good sometimes.
I told you that. Sorry.
If you eat too much.
And what happens?
And if you eat too much, then you're gonna become flat. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment down below. Bye.
And like.
And
share.
And share to your friends and family.
To everybody.
To everybody.
Everybody.
And post it on Facebook if you can.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, then you could dislike as well.